Hey guys, if you're looking for easy sausage pineapple Lao style recipe, I got you covered. Alright, first and foremost, we're gonna add oil to the pan and we're gonna let it heat up. Next, we're gonna add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. Give it a little stir for about 1 minute. Now we're going to add about half of the sliced onions. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar to your desired sweetness. Now give it a little stir. Here's my mom telling me, hurry up, do it this way, do that way. You know how Lao mom be. Now it's time to add the sausage. Alright, now we're going to add some black pepper. Give it a little stir. We don't want to burn the bottom. Stir, baby, stir. Add a half teaspoon of MSG. Add a can of pineapple chunks. Be sure to drain the pineapple juice from the can. Now it's time to add the oyster sauce, soy sauce, and fish sauce. Add the rest of the sliced onions to the pan. We're just about done. Go ahead and cover it up for about 2-3 minutes. Now put it over a bowl of steamed rice and enjoy.